Hey signers, this is the first video in our conversation series. I know how intimidating it can be going into your first ASL conversation. My hope is by the end of this series, you'll have all the signs, phrases, and tools needed to go into your first conversation with confidence. In this video, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself, ask how someone is, and respond, along with all the phrases and tools that coincide. Also, if you're new to ASL, we have a free 10-day ASL Jump Start that is a great first step in your ASL journey. I've included a link to sign up in the description. Now, let's learn how to sign. Tip number 1, how do we get attention? Well, there are 4 main ways. We can wave, tap on a table, tap on somebody's shoulder, and for larger groups, we can turn off and on the lights. Now to signs for greetings and farewells.
Hi. Hi. This is used really informally. Hi. Hello. Hello. You've got your hand right up here at your forehead, and it's coming out. Hello. What's up? What's up? Your middle fingers are put on the chest, and they're going upwards. And you put an attitude like, what's up? What's up? Goodbye. Goodbye. It's just like you're waving goodbye. Goodbye. See you later. See you later. You're doing the sign for see and flipping it to later. See you later. See you later. Love or I love you. But when you shake it back and forth, this is showing love, 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 as in a goodbye, love you all, love. Take care. Take care. This is at the end of the conversation when you tell somebody goodbye and to take care. Thank you. Thank you. Your hand is coming out from your chin. Thank you. Nice to meet you. You're signing nice, and then your people are standing up, coming together to meet, and then pointing back to you. Nice to meet you. Good. Good. Your dominant hand is coming down from your chin to your non-dominant. Good. Morning. Morning. Because the sun is coming up in the morning. Morning. Afternoon. Afternoon. Think of where the sun is in the afternoon. Afternoon. Night. Night. Think of where the sun is at night. Night. Let's take what you just learned and put it in some phrases you can use. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. Nice meet you. Goodbye. Tip number 2. It's important to maintain eye contact. As hearing people, we hear something and we break eye contact to look at what's going on. Well, that's showing that you're not listening to the person that is signing to you. So make sure that you keep eye contact to show that you're engaged in the conversation. Now it's time to learn signs for introductions. Name. Name. Both hands are the shape of U's, tapping right on top of each other. Name. My or mine. It's a flat hand just put right here on your chest. My or mine. Your. Your. Your flat hand is pushing towards somebody. Your. Me or I. Use your index finger and point it toward yourself. Me or I. You. you. You're using your index finger and pointing to you. You. How or how. You're doing the sign how, but make sure that your eyebrows are down because it's a WH question. How? How? What? What? Your 5 hands are kind of bent in together, moving in and out. What?
Slow. Slow. Your dominant hand is moving slowly up your non-dominant arm. And if you want to show somebody that you want them to sign really slowly, you slow it way down. Slow.
Please. Please. It's a flat hand making a circle on your chest. Please. Fine. Fine. Your 5 hand is coming right up to your chest. Fine. Learn. Learn. You're picking up something and putting it in your head. Learn. ASL, or American Sign Language. ASL.
Let's take the signs that you just learned and put it in some phrases. What is your name? Name what you? Hello, my name is Sam. Hello, me, name, Sam, me. How are you? How you? I'm fine. You? Me, fine. You? Can you believe it? You just learned your first signs to start having conversations in ASL. But we're just getting started. There's so much more to come in part 2, where we'll dive into basic questions and responses to keep the conversation flowing. And hey, don't stop here. If you're ready to take your signing skills even further, sign up for our free 10-day ASL Jump Start. The link's waiting for you in the description. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.